Hey guys, welcome back to another healthy dessert recipe video, and today we're making single serve desserts. You guys love these videos. I'm gonna leave the last ones down below. I think we're at three or four other videos, all with single serve recipes, and I'm back with some more single serve desserts, so let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing we're making is this brownie mug cake. You're gonna add in some almond flour, some coconut oil, a little vanilla for flavor, as well as one egg, as you guys can see. That went catastrophically. Some maple syrup, some cacao, and stir it all together until everything is nice and combined. And guys, this makes the fudgiest brownie mug cake. Oh, it is so good. You need to add this into your rotation. Adding in some baking powder, kind of stirring that up until everything is nice and combined. And then I am putting it into, of course, my mug, because we're making this a mug cake. So you can see mine's kind of like a large latte size mug if you're using it for like size comparison. Add that all into there. Then you can either bake it or put it in the microwave. In true mug cake fashion, I popped it in the microwave for a minute and I topped it with some coconut yogurt, and the coolness of the yogurt with the warm chocolate brownie mug cake. Guys, this was insane. It was so good. It takes like less than 5 minutes to make, so yum. The next thing we're making is a single serve brookie, which is part brownie, part cookie. It's gonna be really good. So almond flour, some psyllium husk, some coconut oil, a little bit of vanilla, and then a little bit of molasses as well. Add in your like flax egg mixture along with some baking powder and some cacao to half of the mixture. Stir all of that up until it is nice and combined. And then you're gonna take your two different halves of your mixture and you are going to combine them. So I made a ball with the like original half and then another ball with the brookie half, added in some sugar-free chocolate chips, mold them together kind of like a hockey puck, squeeze them, and then we are going to press that down so that it is half like a chocolate chip cookie, half like double chocolate brownie type cookie. Put that on your baking sheet. We're gonna bake that in the oven, and then you have this warm and gooey part chocolate chip cookie, part double chocolate brownie cookie. It is so yum, and of course, single serve. And lastly, we're making a quick berry crisp using some nice frozen fruit. I always have frozen fruit on hand, so I like this as a quick single serve dessert. Add in your frozen fruit, add in some tapioca or some arrowroot. This is the key to making really, really jammy fruit crisp. Adding some lemon for flavor on top of it, stir that up until everything is nice and combined. And then we're gonna add on some nuts. So I'm just using pecans. You can do almonds, walnuts, whatever you want. I'm also adding on some slivered almonds, whatever kind of nut combo that you have. Bake it in the oven. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed these single serve desserts. When you make them, tag me on Instagram so I can share them because they're all so delicious. I think my favorite is a brookie because honestly, what's better than a soft, warm cookie that's also part brownie? It is such a good recipe. Definitely, I think, my favorite. I'm also gonna leave my healthy dessert ebook, which is free, down in the description box so you can get that for yourself. It has over 20 of my favorite healthy dessert recipes all in there for you to grab, so make sure to grab that. And I'll also leave my last healthy dessert video here on the screen so you can watch that after. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.